Hello everybody, this is Juan from Shenzhen Novecel. Today I'm going to present you guys a new product. This is the display tester from our company. This is for iPhone. At this moment, this device supports iPhone X, XS, XS Max and XR. But within 2 months, this device is going to support for iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8 and also 8 Plus. And for those first 500 customers, we're gonna update those 4 models for free. But at this moment, as I explained to you guys, for those 4 models, X series, X, XR, XS, Max, and also the XS. Okay, I'm gonna repeat, X, XS, XS Max, XR, 4 models at this moment. So I'm gonna explain to you, so this is the device from our company. Can we see this clear? This is for, first you can test image, touch, 3D touch, and also you can also recover the original color. As we know, if you replace the glass, the broken glass, the color is because the motherboard and also the screen is like a one-to-one. So if you replace the broken glass, you have to recover the original color, recover the data. That means to recover the original color. So, and also this device works for this, for data recovery. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. So this is the power. This is Type C. And this is the iPhone XS Max, and I'm gonna have, this is the testing board for Max. So this is very easy, just a plug and you can use it. It's like this. Okay, now this screen is already plugged. So this is the power, and this is we have different colors as the other tester. We have different color. We have red, green, blue, and also this is gray and different colors. Here darker, this is like lighter, this is black. We just give you different color to help you to see very clear the defect of each screen. And this is touch. You can test the touch. And you can see like this is vertical, this is vertical, this is horizon. So you can see from different area. Every part of this screen works perfectly. So page down. Now this is 3D touch. You press here, this is gravity. Press here, works perfect. Press here, works perfect. Here as well. Here as well. This is for 3D touch. Page down. Now it goes back to white, to the first place. And I'm gonna explain to you another function. As we see here is like brightness max. If you see brightness max here, it says brightness max. Max means the maximum. So if you press maximum, the light just goes to the maximum. You can see clear how's the screen. And also you can, if you want to see darker, you can see brightness I can level down. And also for red is as well, for blue is green as well, for blue as well, see? You also can see this is max and also down. And black we don't see nothing, okay? So touch I don't know. You can also see different, but for touch it doesn't need it for the different, the different level of the brightness. You don't need it. Okay, now go back to white, the first the place. It also works for data recovery. For data recovery, actually we're gonna show you next time because we don't have the screen to to explain to you guys at this moment, but this device has this function. This device can help you to recover the original color. And also I'm gonna try another screen, because as you guys see, very easy. We want to change the board, you do like this. Because before we were setting another type of the tester. It's not as easy as what I'm doing now. It was very hard, but this tester actually very easy. This is X, this is X, so we're gonna have, this is the testing board for X. Very easy. You just, like this, you press, that's it. Easy to use. And here so when you press this, you have to be patient. Or you can buy, we're gonna give you one of each for four models, one of each, I mean the testing board. You can buy extra. So when you break, because this is the machine will give you 1 year warranty, 7 days return. We receive 7 days can return it, but this testing board, it's like consumable. So you can, when you break it, this is no warranty. So we suggest you guys buy several pieces. So in that case, when you break it, because sometimes when you connect with the screen, sometimes you break it. So we suggest you guys buy some extra to keep it to in the future, just in case you broke the testing board. Okay, let's get started. Very easy. As I explained to you guys, different colors, touch. And if you want to say max, as I explained to you guys, brightness max. Different color, you can see. Can we see this clear? Different angle. And this is 3D touch, works perfectly. And this screen is XS, I just found it. This one has a touch problem. So I'm gonna test it, as you guys say, how it works when touch doesn't work perfectly, like correctly. So this is touch. You see? You see? Here. I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. We'll pass here. See? We can see this, right? This means touch doesn't work correctly. This part, see? Touch doesn't work correctly. 3D touch, see? I press it. See? Touch doesn't work correctly. This one here, this part works okay. See, this part doesn't work okay. This part doesn't work okay. So when 3D touch doesn't work correctly, it works like this. I hope you guys, this is same thing. Okay, I have tested iPhone X Max, XS Max, X, those are two working LCD without any problem. But this one XS with touch problem. And I just showed you guys how it performs when the touch doesn't work or doesn't work correctly. And I hope you guys have learned whatever you want to learn, you want to know about this product. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can leave the comments in the comments area. And if you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell, the notification bell, to follow our latest videos. Thank you again for watching this video. Bye.